What's going on, guys? Sam Takes here. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download Fortnite after it got removed from App Store. Let's get on into the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is you can download Fortnite literally from App Store, and just go to App Store. All you're gonna do is don't even, if you go and search out Fortnite, it will not pop up like all time. Tonight, okay. I spelled it wrong. And Fortnite right here. When you search up Fortnite, you will never get the Fortnite right here. You can see there's a wallpaper, other apps like the pen and Fortnite, but you can't get it. You can't still get it from right here like App Store. All you're gonna do is just go there and click your profile in the top right corner. After that, you're gonna click purchase in the middle. Click that and click right here. Search out Fortnite. Don't even search out the full thing. If you search out the full thing, you won't get it. Like just search out like Fort or Fortnite, and it's right here. You can see it's under. Just click install, and you can see it's installing. Let's just wait like 15 seconds and it will finish installing. So guys, you can see Fortnite just finished installing. Now all I have to do is just go there and open it. Like, you can't open it right here, or you just can't go to your apps and open it like this, and it will say Epic Game. If you have account, you'll say yes. If you don't have account, you'll say no. If you have account, you'll say yes. I already have account, but I'm not gonna sign in. You can see there's a lot of options like Epic, for Facebook, Google, Xbox, PS4, Nintendo Switch, and Apple. You can sign in by all of those. And this is pretty much what I want to show you for today. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.